Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question. It says x to the power of 3 plus x equals to 30. Solve for x. We are going to find the value of x in this equation. So we have solution, divide our board into 2. So we are given x to the power of 3 plus x equals to 30. In this case, 30 can be transposed into this other side. So we have x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 30 equals to 0. And the power of x here is 3. That is the highest power of x equals to 3. That means this is a cubic equation. So in this case, we are going to look for a factor of 30 that when we share two of them, one of them will have a power of 3 and the other one will have a power of 1. So in this case, 30, the factors of 30 is going to be 27 and 3. When you add these two, 27 plus 3 will give you 30. So the sum of this factor is going to be 30. So we are going to substitute this into where we have 30. So this becomes x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 27 plus 3 equals to 0. Take note of the parentheses. This negative sign affects the whole of the parentheses. When we are going to expand, it's going to be this way. X raised to the power of 3 plus x minus times this will give you minus 27. Then minus times 3 will give you minus 3 equals to 0. So in this case, 27 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. So here, we'll substitute this into the way we have 27. We have x raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Here we can collect like terms. So this will become x raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Here we have x raised to the power of 3 and 3 raised to the power of 3. So here we can group this. This will become x raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 plus x minus 3 equals to 0. The whole of this, we can recall that when we have, we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So what we are going to do is for us to express this in this form. So that will become, we need to clean this. When we express that in that form, it will become, here is our a and this is our b. So in that case, it's going to be x minus 3, that is x minus 3 into, we have x squared plus x times 3, then plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Then we still have x minus 3 plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So here, we can factor this out. We have x minus 3 here, and we have x minus 3 here. So when we factor this thing out, we have x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 9. 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. Then we have here plus 1, because the whole of this divided by x minus 3 gives us this. Then x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 gives us 1. So that is why we have plus 1. So here equals to 0. So in this case, we can open the parentheses. So we have x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus 1 equals to 0. So here will become x minus 3 into x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 10 equals to 0. Here we have two parentheses. Either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So in this case, we first take this one. So we have x minus 3 equals to 0. Here, minus 3 can be transposed into this other side. It becomes plus. So we have x equals to 3. So the value of our x equals to 3 in this expression. So we check, we verify whether x equals to 3 or x minus 3 equals to 0 is a factor of this cubic equation. So for us to check, we were given x raised to the power of 3 plus x equals to 30. So x raised to the power of 3, we have 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 equals to 30. So 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 equals to 30. we can see that this is 30. We can see that our 27 plus 3 here equals to 30. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, x minus 3 equals to 0 is a factor of this cubic equation. So we are going to take the second one, which is x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 10 equals to 0, to check whether it's one of the factors of this cubic equation. Let's clean this. So we clean this. As we said, we are going to take this. Taking that, we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 10 equals to 0. In this case, this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to check, to find the value of x. So here, we are using x equals to minus x plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, our a equals to 1, then our b equals to plus 3. You can write 3, then our c equals to 10. So we are going to substitute these parameters into where we have this quadratic equation. So it becomes x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 10, all over 2 times 1. So in this case, we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 10 is 40. So we have 40 all over 2. So in this case, we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 9 minus 40 is 39. So we have minus 39 all over 2. So here, we've seen that we have a negative sign here. So if you evaluate this, the whole of this place gives you a negative value. So whatever that you add here or subtract, all this will still give you negative value. So the x here equals to negative value. So for factor of this cubic equation, x cannot be a negative value, because when x is a negative value, we plot in here, this will become negative value. What you have here, you subtract, the whole of this place will become negative value. So the right hand side is positive and the left hand side cannot be negative. Therefore, x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 10 equals 0 is not accepted. This answer is rejected because it is a negative value. We don't have a real, there's no real solution on this factor. Therefore, our x minus 3 equals to 0, where we landed at x equals to 3, is the only factor of this cubic equation which gives us the right answer, and that is the right answer for this cubic equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.